squirting all over. Okay, now, as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the highest point in the house and turn the water on in here. Okay. Now if I leave this on, I'm letting air into the system so I can make sure that everything is out of the house. As far as the water, sorry. Okay. I don't know if you can hear that. All the water is emptying out of all the pipes. Okay, we're going to give that another second. And just want to recheck this faucet right here. Sorry for wasting all this video time, but you can hear the water making its way down here. Just give it a minute here. There's my furnace kicking on. I would say we're probably pretty good here. If I start cutting into this and water starts coming out, not a big deal. Okay, so give it a little, see it's hand tight. I'm turning it, it doesn't want to turn much. I'm not turning it real hard. Okay, go around here in a circle. Okay, and as you can see it's starting to scribe into it. Okay, give it another turn. Go around. Give it another turn. Now, like I said, you want to make sure that your water is off before you do anything like this. Drain all your pipes, and as you can see, no water's coming out. Looks like they're there we go. Kind of worn out there, but we'll be all right. Now, just keep letting that water drip there, because when you're putting the flux on, you got to sand around here, around this joint, and you want to make sure that this is nice and clean and dry before you put any flux on, because if it's not, then you're going to have water leaks. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so hand tight. As soon as I moved it, you see, you wanted to jump off, so I just retightened it. Okay, go around. Tighten a little more. I'm just going slow like this just to show you how it works. But you know, you don't really have to go this slow. Just take my time with it. Okay, little by little here. Wow, this one's not as easy to cut through here. There we go. Now, she popped off on me. it back on the same spot. And tighten back up. A little bit looser. There we go. Just a little spot that still needed to break off. Okay, so now, by the way, these are, I don't know, I would say it's $5, $10, something like that, for to get these things at the hardware store or whatever, one of the depots or O's or something, you know. So as you can see, it's completely disconnected. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out of here with my hand truck. I'm gonna throw some cinder blocks up, and I'm gonna put the next one up. Okay, this has been part 1, removal of gas hot water heater. Very simple. I mean, literally it took me like 5 minutes. I know it's a long video, but it's just because I'm trying to make sure everybody understands what's going on, because it's something's a little scary, but at the same time, I mean, I got this hot water heater from a friend of mine who works in the industry, and he got me a discount. With this and all the fittings, I still spent $700, okay, with a discount. Okay, so I would say this would cost the average person $850 for this 40-gallon tank. Then you also got to pay somebody to put it in. So trust me, it's not hard. Do it yourself. You know, just get your hands in there. Watch the video a couple times, watch other people's videos, read up on it. It's really not that difficult. It just seems scary because of the gas, but you'll be fine. Just do it yourself. DIY. Thank you. Like, comment, share. Appreciate it.